Hey, what's up everybody? Hector back here at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage. So today we're gonna have a slightly problem that I'm assuming almost everybody encounters after their car wash, and that would be tire slinging onto the paint. Oftentimes, whenever you wash your vehicle and you apply dressing onto your tires, you don't fully remove it from in between the threads that at the moment you drive off, it gets all over the paintwork. But today we're gonna go ahead and fix the problem for this beautiful black Lexus. Simply starting by using our Sweat White Waterless wash, give it a light shake and lightly spraying it over the paintwork. It's gonna go ahead and help us wipe away and pick up all that fine dirt, dust, and nonetheless tire slinging from the paintwork. Give it a nice light shine and protection all at once. Remember to always roll your thumb over the line that you guys wiped out previously so you guys don't introduce the dirt back once again. And flip it over to a clean side if needed. Missed the spot here. And one more time. Now we simply flip over to a nice clean side and just buff off. And just like so, you'll notice right off the bat, some of the water spots or tire slinging got removed from the paint. But there's some light blemishes that did not came off as we did the Waterless. So we're gonna go ahead and follow up after with VO7. Pretty much just throwing the cherry on top of the sundae. Same concept. For this one, I would like to spray it onto my towel. Give it a couple of pats and wipe away in the same direction. And look how easy we clean, shine, protect, and remove any water sling from the surface. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please let us know what other videos you guys would like to see on the next episode. I'm Hector. This was Detail Garage Chemical Guys. We'll see you guys next time.